Rosemary water is one of the easiest and natural remedy to control hair fall and to improve hair growth. So in today's video, I will tell you how to make the simplest rosemary water at home. I will also tell you how to store it properly and the right way to use it for maximum benefits. So without any delay, let's get started. For this recipe, I am using dried rosemary leaves. I have linked this in the video. Do check this out. First, take a pan and add 1 cup of water to it. Once the water is added, I am putting in 4 tablespoons of rosemary leaves. Now give it a gentle stir and let it simmer on low flame. As it boils, the rosemary slowly releases all its goodness into the water. Let this simmer until the water slightly reduces and turns darker in color. This means the rosemary is properly infused. Once done, switch off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Now I am filtering the rosemary water to remove the leaves. And transferring the liquid into a clean spray bottle. And that's it. Your homemade rosemary water is ready to use. You can spray this directly onto your scalp and hair roots, making sure all areas are covered. Gently massage for it to get absorbed. No need to wash your hair after this, just leave it on. Use it every day in the morning and at night to see new hair growth and to reduce hair fall. You can keep this in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. By making rosemary water at home this way, you can save a lot of money from buying rosemary serums online. So make use of this recipe and do let me know how it worked for you. And that's how you make the easiest rosemary water at home for healthier and stronger hair. I have left the rosemary leaves link right here. You can click here and it will take you to the purchase page. So that's how you can buy rosemary leaves and make rosemary water at home very easily. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and also do comment your thoughts. I love reading them. Until then, next time, take care.